Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, AdGuard VPN review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're already a fan of AdGuard's legendary ad blocker here, you're going to love how their VPN ties everything together. Now, it is pretty much designed to be the ultimate companion tool for a clean, secure internet experience. And it brings some massive wins to the table, especially if you want a hassle-free setup that cleans up the web while keeping you safe. Now, the absolute best thing about AdGuard VPN is how perfectly it integrates with their ad blocking ecosystem. Now, usually on mobile devices, you run into this annoying technical wall where the operating system only allows one active VPN slot at a time, so meaning you have to choose between blocking ads or encrypting your data. Now, AdGuard here completely solves this by building an integrated mode where their VPN and ad blocker work together hand in hand. Now, it gives you incredibly clean browsing experience where pop-ups, video ads, and background trackers are instantly vaporized across all your apps without breaking a sweat, which is really awesome here. Now, their apps are also a total joy to use because they are beautifully simple and beginner friendly. Now, the dashboard clearly displays the real-time ping rate for every server location across more than 50 countries. So you always know exactly which one will give you the snappiest connection. Plus, they throw in fantastic custom DNS options right out of the box here, like their family protection DNS, which automatically enforces safe search. To make things even sweeter here, a single premium account covers up to like 10 devices simultaneously, and they have a handy 3 GB free monthly tier to test the waters first. And they are legally based on the out of Cyprus here, giving you excellent privacy protections completely outside major global intelligence alliances. Now, because it is more lightweight service focused on everyday security here, there are just a couple of small trade-offs to keep in mind. Now, because it uses its own custom proprietary protocol rather than a standard open source options like WireGuard, long distance server speeds can feel a little bit sluggish if you are trying to do heavy 4K streaming or massive torrent downloads. Also, their strict no logs policy hasn't gone through a formal third-party privacy audit just yet. But honestly, if your primary goal is everyday web browsing, smooth browsing on public Wi-Fi, and having an absolute flawless, unified shield against annoying ads, well, AdGuard here VPN is incredibly convenient, budget-friendly winner that makes the internet feel clean again. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.